In this video, we are going to be installing an extension called as live server, which allows us to open our HTML pages on a little development server as opposed to opening them in a file system. So as you can see right now, this Windows is open and you look at the file path here, it actually opened in a file system. Whereas if you install something called as a live server, it will open on what's called a local host, and not only that, it will automatically reload. So if they save the file and come here, the browser will automatically get reloaded, so that we don't have to hit the reload button every time when we make a change here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna create a file called liveserver.html. So before installing live server, instead of typing out the whole structure like we did here, we can use something called as emmet to generate the structure. So what I will do is, I'm gonna press shift exclamation, and as you can see here, you can press tab or enter. So it automatically generated a structure for you. So what is this meta tag? Don't worry, now we will be discussing about them in the next video. So now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna install the server. So a live server, as you can see, so I'm gonna install it. So as you can see here, it's installed. So after installing, now I'm gonna write something. So what you have to do is click right click and press open with live server. So as we can see here, now notice the URL is different here when compared to here. As you can see, the value 127.0.0.1, it is actually called as a loopback address, and it's to your local file, and after colon 5500, it's the port number that it's running on, and then you just have the file name. So instead of saving and opening every time and reloading it here, you can use this, so that you can use this, which is very helpful. So notice here, it automatically get updated here. So if you want to stop this server, you can just go here and press on click to close server. So you can see that if you hit reload, so the server is stopped. And if you want to again turn on that server, you don't need to click on right click and you can do it. And also you can see here go live, you can click that, so automatically it opens. So this is the one I will be using throughout the course. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video.